We went to the back, me and the one on bags.
Bruh.
Well, you guys.
The one on bags.
You were,
which guy? Oh yeah, him.
The black one.
There's two of them.
The one.
Matt or
What the sides?
Yeah, there are two bad.
Matt.
there's two black.
They're all. Whoa,
There's
which
two?
Matt?
On bags and black.
Matt
Oh,
W
shit.
or Matt V?
Super awkward.
Don't be awkward.
So we're here at Hella Clean Auto Detailers. They're hosting a big ass car meet, and I got the our star, my co-pilot here, recording me. But,
Got a cameraman now, boy.
so I know we have Mopar Most Wanted representing in the back. We can go back over there eventually. And then I'm here with Modified Euro New Mexico. They're over here because we only got here 20 minutes before it started, so not a whole lot of good upfront seating.
Yeah, Jeremy was late. Jeremy was real late.
He didn't even have Dutch Bros to represent being late.
What's on the agenda for today? Okay.
Feel better now.
Cool.
So I know we have a. Look at that color. What is that? An Integra? A Tegi? I know later we have a group barbecue around 5:36, and it's 4:16 right now. So we're kind of just waiting, I guess, seeing if anybody rolls up, and then we're gonna move to that spot next.
Got my car right there.
Shit!
My car right there.
Oh shit!
I'm taking a picture. Oh no.
Dang.
Probably saying how stupid it looks. Should I ask him to sign it?
Look how stupid that looks. As you can see, I have my my shit box right here. It may be knocking, might be the injectors. We don't know yet.
It's knocking?
I don't know. It's just making a. It's definitely loud. It was clean, and then it rained for 36 seconds.
How does that make you feel?
That it rained on it for 36 seconds?
Yeah.
Might have been 37. I don't like it. It cost me $10 and about 30 minutes of detailing.
Whoa, this wind! We should find the rest of the squad. Because I don't know where everybody else
So I'm
is
tired
at.
of eating dirt.
Yeah. God damn. Dust storm.
For real.
The mountains disappeared. We should go to the crest.
You know, it could be down. Let's see as a group if we can get everybody to go out. Yo, could you be
Crest run.
for a crest run after the barbecue?
today?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? Even if it's raining. Are you filming right now?
Yes.
Is this for the YouTube channel?
Yes.
Fuck yes.
Yes,
I was
sir.
about to ask you. The GoPro's on the way.
Is it?
For this
Sir.
fucking YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
We're gonna be the next big thing, baby.
I'll be your cameraman.
All right.
I'm awkward in front of the camera. That's why I talk to a microphone for 35 minutes straight, because I don't know how to record myself. Follow my Instagram, Unorthodox, and follow my podcast. Thank you.
On Spotify, soon to be Apple Music.
No, it made it. It's
Did
on
it?
Apple Cast now.
Hey, let's go.
I just got Google.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
Our boy's out here.
Where's everybody else at?
I don't know. Everybody did that. I haven't seen Jeremy in like 30 minutes. Punch Bug's right there. I haven't even seen her.
She was standing over there.
She's over there?
Yeah.
Look at that damn Honda looking good. Can you say Honda? Can you say hi to everybody?
Next
right.
car enthusiast right there.
Next car enthusiast.
Yep.
Don't buy a Miata.
We're gonna buy him an E30. Both of them
Hey.
are gonna be E30s, dude.
See, that's what happens when your parents are enthusiasts.
You know, my parents don't like cars, so that's how it goes.
Mine either.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm tired of eating dirt because this
I have a
wind is
question.
brutal. We're gonna find out if this little cattail over my microphone actually works.
It won't.
It's still gonna sound like shit.
It will.
I feel like
Steve-O!
Hey!
Do some for the YouTube.
Follow Sick Media on Instagram, 2 S's.
2 S's.
This
This is for the modified Euro. I'm gonna post it on my own page too, because we're doing all the work. But it's for the modified YouTube page. I'm gonna have a lot of shit to cut out of this video.
I know. We went through the back, me and the one on bags.
Bruh.
Well, you guys.
The one on bags.
You were,
Which guy? Oh yeah, him?
The black one.
There's two of them.
The one.
Matt or
What the sites?
Yeah, there are two bad.
Matt.
there's two black.
They're all. Whoa,
There's
which
two?
Matt?
On bags and black?
Matt
Oh,
W
shit.
or Matt V?
Yeah, follow Car Photography on Instagram. I'll put his he's got a YouTube too.
There's
Yo.
someone with your look though.
What's up?
There's someone with your look though.
There is. So
That's why
there's
I thought
somebody
it was
that
you.
somebody has a box that's just a lot taller. Like it's a
Okay. And
theirs might be a 2-liter.
it has nothing on it though. It's all white.
Yeah,
no
it's just
stickers?
all stock.
Yeah. Okay.
He's got the OEM wheels on him too, right? He's just lowered.
I'm gonna find him on Instagram and just fucking tag you in something. Like be like, this is the one. Let's just go after his ass.
You're all good, boss. Sick truck.
Yeah, too bad they made the new ones and didn't offer an LS in them. Because Chevy sucks.
So we going inside?
Yeah, let's go inside. Let's see what it's all made of in there. What's going on?
Is that Winnie the Pooh? That's fucking sick, dude.
Big ass.
Holy shit.
Is it?
Can he be on YouTube?
Bro, it's so much hurt my eyes.
Dude.
Alright, Adams.
We should just get every member of Modified Room one of these. So we can all run
Dude, you don't know how down I am. I'll probably come back over here and grab something before we leave, because... Oh, they have a hand cleanser?
This looks.
I like the dude, I'm actually kind of down for that. I don't need the concentrate. The hand sanitizer's cool though, I'm probably gonna come back for that.
I know.
Are we allowed to take a walk too?
Of course. Yeah, just let us know. I don't think he's here. If you have any questions or anything, just let us know.
Will do, thank you.
I don't know if Dennis is in here. I think he's outside. I think he was in that.
Dude, this is the absolute dream.
Real detail shot.
The absolute dream.
Got a stingy.
You like KDM?
I do like
A bit of a KDM enthusiast.
Just air.
Oh!
Dude, stop talking about the BMW.
I'm hurt. I have unresolved mental issues.
Let it go.
It's mental awareness
Just
health.
let it go.
I can't be mental health aware if I don't have any.
Can't be mental health aware if I don't have any.
Bro, thank God I took an allergy pill this morning by like not really anticipating, because I would be fucking dying right now. Oh, there we go. I like it.
What's up, man? Oh, I found him.
We did find it.
Found him all by ourselves. Didn't have any help.
We weren't working off of a tip at all. Yeah.
Damn.
All right.
Damn, what a guy.
The
Stuff
legend
Xbox in the-
himself.
Look at this
Coming
guy.
all the way down from Albuquerque, New Mexico.
From downtown.
Weighing in at how much do you
Danya?
None your pounds. It's Jeremy.
Our fearless president that was fucking late.
No. I was fashionably on time.
That's true.
2:15, right? That's what you had said? Yeah, I said there's a 15-minute leeway.
Mr. Rock.
I was on time.
Yeah.
And we still had people late.
We also had people that were early.
Wasn't me. Are you guys going to the barbecue?
Yeah. What is that, 5:30?
Now?
We need to like go now. Is it now? I'm hungry as hell. Facts.
I need to get my wallet.
Yeah, we're going to head to it.
I'll just
You're
send
more
you
than welcome
I'll
to
send you the
come.
Addy and then you can meet us there.
From Rio Rancho.
She didn't like that. Gave me shit.
Huh?
We will see you.
Yeah, that's where he lives, isn't it?
See you there. It's off of Paradise, right?
I'm gonna go get that shit.
Camera guy.
Oh, yeah.
A little later.
That's the first one here, then the first one to eat.
Dang!
That's how hungry I am. Don't be like Jeremy. Get better fitment.
Ooh!
Roasted. How we weren't doing this. This is a driveway. You can't park there. Well, we can park. Because that makes sense, right? HOA. Yeah, HOA.
Yeah, I'm gonna mile first and I'll be in. Mile, 100 push-ups, 200 pull-ups, 300 air squats. Yeah, you come to the right place. Honestly, this morning, this morning, I was at work this morning. It's one of those special ones where you have like 600 in
Dang! This wind is built
Here you go, I got one here. Thank you, sir. Huh?